dives to the sea. I searched every beach to find the best they'd be. Drone in the sky, boots on the sand, looking for the greatest across this rugged land. Around Booth they're all worth the drive, but one stands tallest, one truly comes alive. Sandy mouth waterfalls crashing below, towering cliffs put on a breath-taking show. Summer lease finishes at the rear. It's still a good beach, don't get me wrong here. Just a little ordinary compared with the rest. When your neighbors are brilliant, it's hard to be the best. These are the kings of Cornwall shore, waves that thunder, oceans roar. Golden beaches, cliffs so high, the greatest coastline beneath the sky. Raise your voice, let freedom sing. Every beach deserves its king. From hidden coves to endless sand, Cornwall's magic rules the land. Trevor with strength takes Camelford's crown. Rock formations carved all around. A pub on the cliff with the perfect view. Just catch low tide before heading through. Crackington Haven comes so close, one of the finest on the northern coast. Rock Beach rules around Pasto Town, with the river Camel flowing down across the estuary, Holland Bay. Massive sands that steal the day. Porthcurlan comes in at the end, still a beach I'd recommend. Just a little busier than the rest, making it hard to be the best. These are the kings of Cornwall shore, waves that thunder, oceans roar. Golden beaches, cliffs so high, the greatest coastline beneath the sky. Crantock winds around Newquay's coast, wide open sands I love the most. The winding river, peaceful views, just at a cafe, that's all I choose. Truth be told, there isn't a loser. Newquay's beaches couldn't be cooler. Porthorn rules the red root side, where surfers chase the changing tide. Huge cliffs standing proud and tall, with stunning views that beat them all. Tiny chapel Porth comes last, small and crowded, filling fast. Cardrevy stands above them all, the lighthouse answering every call. Walking the headland, sea so blue, an unforgettable coastal view. Carvis Bay just misses out, parking's what it's all about. Pretty enough when you arrive, but getting there can spoil the drive. Porthcurlan steals the lands and crown, like paradise you've somehow found. Beside the Minack on the shore, a beach you'll never forget once more. Frost sand shines near Penzance town. Great food, great waves, the perfect crown. Porthleven's harbor's full of charm, but the beach lacks that special spark. Chilling vase winds in Falmouth's Bay, gardens behind where children play. Walk to Swan Pool by the sea, one perfect coastal memory. Main Porth quietly takes last place. can't match the winning pace. Cornwall Beach, where St. Austell's crown, massive golden sands stretching down, easy access, food nearby, a beach that never says goodbye. Paul comes last without much fight, sail wage warnings don't look right. Nothing really draws me in, it's one I probably wouldn't pick again. Talent Bay winds near Lewes Shore, peaceful cliffs and so much more. A lovely cafe by the sea, a hidden Cornish memory. East Lou finishes behind, parking tests your peace of mind. Still a good beach every day, its neighbors simply lead the These are the kings of Cornwall shore. These are the kings of Cornwall shore. Waves that thunder, oceans roar. Every beach has something rare, wild Atlantic in the air. You might not agree with every name, that's the beauty of this game. Go explore and make your stand, find your favorite in this land. From boot to lizard, coast to coast, Cornwall's beaches beat the most. Whatever ranking you believe, this coastline never fails to leave a piece of Cornwall in